SD70ACe, alright. I bet we got an SD70ACe unit. SD70ACe, alright. 154 empty coal cars. DPU, alright, with our 4 SD70ACe powers. DPU, alright. 154 coal cars. How awesome was that for the BNSF SD70ACe unit, leading 4 SD70ACe powers, leading a locomotive? coming from the Thomas Hill power plant. They were coming from the Thomas Hill power plant making electricity. That was a pulling 154 cars. The symbol of that train was BNSF SD74 Locomotive's ACE unit. That train here starts out in Thomas Hill, Missouri at the power plant and heads west going to... I hear a horn. Heads west. Train might stop at Kansas City, Missouri to take a break, have some dinner on its way west, going to North Antelope, Rochelle Mine, Wyoming. Happened on this Thursday, February 1st, 2024, by Tyler McCully, Wide World of Trains and Transportation on YouTubeland. You get a comment section below the video with our 4 SD70ACe unit. Give YouTube a like. I appreciate from Wide World of Trains. I got saw that, so there's one work machine and 2 work machines sitting at the railroad on the Brookfield Subdivision. They're doing some work on the track. Get it done when it gets a good shape. That's for sure. Those 2 work machines sits there. They gotta work on the track like a Brookfield Subdivision. Alright, enough to that. My name is Tyler McCully. You enjoyed the video, so have a good day.